Good morning from Pokhara. It's pretty early today and I wanna take a picture of this popular lake here. I hope the sun comes out the next few minutes. Another great tip, use a better tripod than I do. So looks like there's no sun coming out. It's too cloudy today. Unfortunately, because the view must be really great when the sun beams come on this lake. Yeah, now we try a few other stuff, which I also don't do really often. So, but the more you do it, the better you become. Unfortunately, everywhere there's plastic in this lake. So sad. Alrighty, still no sun, but yeah, now we're heading back to the hotel, getting some breakfast, because later we're going to Ghandruk. Ghandruk. Okay. See you there. Okay, now we got stuck. Now we have to walk the rest of the path, but that's not bad. I mean, look at this view. Yeah, this is the village we're gonna stay. Looking forward for the sunrise tomorrow. I hope it won't be cloudy, but because we can take amazing pictures here, I guess. That looks so weird, hiking with a woman's handbag. Don't panic, just going faster. Yes, we do. So finally we arrived at our accommodation.
And here is the Königin.
The queen, yeah.
Queen.
Check this out. I hope it clears a little bit so you can also see the sky later and tomorrow the sunrise. Yeah, we're gonna rest a little bit and after that, yeah, we want to check out the village, walk around and have some food, and I hope the sky clears. Good. Namaste. 350 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. With the wooden windows. Look at the details. Oh, that's a lot of work on it. Yeah. The sky cleared a little bit and I found this spot here with the amazing view. Good morning. The sun is rising. Everyone is still asleep, but I mean, look at that. So crazy. I want to go to the spot where I've been yesterday, where you have like cool view. I only get this.
You will get it. No worry.
I'm curious. So the peaks are already covered by clouds again. So we're gonna check out the village a little bit more and then going down again. Yeah, if you wanna know what which hotel that was, it was the Himalaya Lodge, I guess. Right? Yeah. Himalaya Lodge. Totally worth it. I think yeah, you can book online. I think a room is about $80, I guess, per night. But I mean, the view is amazing, and you got some this warm bags for the night. This water bags. That was really comfy because you don't have heaters in the rooms. But that's enough. You have they give you some jackets, gloves and hats and stuff if you feel cold. That's pretty cool. And like I said, the warm water bags, some extra blankets and stuff, so you won't freeze if you come here. Looks like in a movie of Lord of the Rings here. With a Hobbit Village. I'm wondering if people here have stress, but I probably not. Ooh. Could you imagine living in a village like this? Would you miss something?
Are you asking me?
Yeah, of course.
I have lived
Yeah, but now
in my village.
would you do
Yes,
that?
because it's not like you don't have anything. Here you can find anything
Yeah.
on the internet. Even
Of
the
course.
better internet than in Germany.
That is actually true.
Yes, I can.
I mean, I also can, but I probably would miss something. Like, I don't know. I cannot name it what I would miss, but I know I would miss
Yeah.
something. Alright, we're leaving. Now we have our 3-hour downhill drive, which is much scarier, I guess, when you drive down than up. We will see. But it was quite adventurous when we came up here, especially when it started to rain and the vehicles got stuck. But we have good weather now, and I hope it won't get that scary. Right?